Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and we're going to do something simple this time out. We're just going to take some drives out of some desktops if you've never done it. It's pretty simple, but for everyone, there's always a first time, and this is going to be an OptiPlex 3040, and sometimes there's just buttons that you can just push, and then this slides out, or as you can see this time, there's actually screws in here that need to be unscrewed. And sometimes they're easy to do, and sometimes they're not. I would recommend getting yourself a toolkit like this. It doesn't have to be this particular toolkit, but one that has a lot of tools. I think I spent like $25-30 on this. They're not very expensive, and if you're just starting out, you don't need to spend a wacky amount of money. So you're just unscrewing these, and then you're just pushing forward. And then, all right, you've got the cover off. So here's the drive for this particular unit. So this is the same kind of drive, just like the last one. And again, pretty easy. And if you don't happen to, you can get this tool and then you just try to find the best bit you can. So if you're having a hard time doing it, it's probably too small, but this is just for instance sakes, or get yourself a Phillips screwdriver headset. But these kits should be enough for you. There you go. So you just do this deal if they're on there too tight for you. Okay, so put that back in there. And then again, it's just unscrewing these, or there's two pinchy things. You just pinch them and then you just pull. All right. And then right here is the drive in this particular unit. So you're just pulling these cords. Different kind of unit right here. For this particular one, you've got this right here. So you're just gonna lift up on that, and should be enough. Okay, yep. Okay, so this one's like a SATA drive. So just pull out these cables. It's holding it. Somehow. Oh, this pulls up. Let's keep it out of here. Okay. And you just pull it out. It just simply goes in like this. If you ever need to do that, you just line them up with the holes and then you put it back in, plug it back in. But in this case, it's being recycled. It's a recycled unit. So then we plug that drive. There's RAM in here, but in this particular case, that's going to be recycled as well. All right, we're going to pull another one. So this particular one, so this is a Dell. This is a Dell OptiPlex 3010. I've been seen this before. Right here. Just lift up. And let's see what we got here. So that's that. That's that. So drives in here. So I was able to find the drive on this, and yeah, I wasn't looking for a little guy like that. I was looking for like a solid state drive. I mean, it's probably too old a computer for a solid state drive, or one of these babies, but it's actually going to be one of these babies. So that's why I didn't see it first off. So again, I'd recommend getting a toolkit. Maybe not necessarily this one, but anything with a lot of bits in me. Okay. Pull the RAM out if you need to, or just recycle it. You can pull the drive out too if you need to. Power supply. I think they just recycle all this stuff. It's not really necessary because new computers come with new all that. So just unscrew these. And this thing's a magnet, so if you drop something, just like that, you just pick it pretty easy. Oops. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then that goes back. That goes into the pile of crazy. Okay, and this one. This is OptiPlex 3020. So this one is going to be screwy. This one's screwy. So we need to unscrew this one, and luckily we can use it by hand. All right. Let's grab this. There's the drive on this one. So there's the drive on this one. I'm just going to pull this. All right, so let's pull the drives of these ThinkPads. So as you can see, here's the battery if you ever have to replace the battery. Oops, just push that in. It's easier if I put it down. But in this case, we're not particularly doing that. Just so get our chesty kitty. And just got to find the right fit. Which should be fairly simple. There we go. Then we just got the screws on the back. It's a bad hair day. It is a really bad hair day. So there's the drive right there. Yeah. So looks like 2 screws holding that. Jeez. Hop it, dude. And there's this tool, you can just kind of pry it up. It's not really totally unscrewed. Screwed into that. Okay. Quite googly muggly. There's your solid state drive. Okay, there's another one. It's the same deal. Same thing. Same kind. Just find the right bit. Unscrew. Screw. Go screw. Or unscrew. Go unscrew. So the last one there was only 2 screws holding that in. This one there's 4 screws holding that in. So I don't know. Someone on the assembly line for that other computer was slacking. Must have been coffee time or lunchtime or something.